Let's go mining! Welcome to the recap of cycle 111. But before that, this is recorded on the 11th of October, so basically one day after the digital bloodbath. So when we look back at the markets, you can see that on the daily chart, Bitcoin recently dropped up to 22%, recovered already quite a bit of it, but still down in one day, 13%, and Bitcoin was one of the ones doing very good compared, for example, looking at XRP, which had a dive of over 50%, recovered quite a bit, and yeah, wow. I hope everybody who was leveraged on the market or not is okay, or at least got away with a scratch. I definitely did, so I'm a bit sad about my XRP position. I had a bot in Pionex running, well, most of my bots that are not BTC or Ethereum were liquidated, but luckily I was shifting most of it already beforehand to spot with dual investment on Pionex, so where I can continue to earn. Still down, but it's not that bad, and I hope you are okay as well. That's why things like Gomining are a great thing, because yes, the Bitcoin itself is down, but you still get around the same amount of Satoshi. You can stack them, keep them, and start selling them when Bitcoin is rising again, which is what I'm currently doing, starting yesterday. So let's head into it. So having a look from the dollar perspective, of course these rewards is from before this whole crash happened, so you can see it's from the 1st of October to the 7th, and just to make it short, a net, if I would sell at always the amount that is standing here, so at the amount of Bitcoin at the point in time, we would have net $30.20. Looking at it from what I actually have been doing, I have been, as I already said, I started in the meantime collecting some, so I've been reinvesting in computing power 3 times. 2 times I had Gomining token reinvested so that I can pay the maintenance fee. And I started to actually get something in my wallet, so 2 times I started going into the wallet. For this current cycle, I will definitely stop the reinvesting in Terahash for now. I will only go for Gomining to be able to pay the maintenance fees, and the rest I will collect in the wallet, move to Pionex for dual investment, which I already had the strategy in the past, and I will start the reinvesting in Terahash when Bitcoin is rising again, and probably something around 120. But currently I'm more comfortable just holding Bitcoin and trying to increase my holdings via the Pionex dual investment. So as always, in the last thing we look at what other sources of income we had. So we had the Gomining rewards from the logging as well as the bounty program rewards, which nets us around 9-ish Gomining token. So there hasn't changed much here. So if you're looking at today, the Gomining token is dropped significantly, I think 10%, so we are at 0.45 or something. But I think compared to the overall market, this is quite not that bad. I mean, it's very specialized, so it is not too much affected by the whole market trading and stuff like that, at least I think, because it's mainly used within the Gomining ecosystem for now. So it holds its ground quite well, I would say, compared to most of the other coins. Let's see where we're going from here. And that's already it. See you in the next cycle. And yeah.